Hey gang, Puppy here. This is Puppy Unboxes a Solid Carbide Center Drill. Catch up with me, you damn computer. I still have money. I can replace you. Yeah, there it is. I mean, there's not much you can say about a solid carbide center drill, right? Solid carbide center drill. Perhaps what's important is this. M&M Tools Corp. Marty Sherman, Andrew Sherman, M&M Tools Carbide at hotmail.com, and cell number and a www address and a phone number and eBay ID. La la la, isn't that pretty? And while you look at the front, I look at the back. A special 5% off my next purchase. Just give them this number on the back. Well, thank you, Marty and Andrew. I shall avail myself of this 5% the next time I buy from you. And it's not going to be very long either.